Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jill. So for today's video, I will be taking you along with me as I pack my stuff. So for today, I'll be moving to Cavite for only 2 weeks. This is not for leisure or for travel purposes. I'll just go to Cavite because we'll be launching a new product in our company or a new system in our company and really want me to be on hands. So this is gonna be for work purposes. I'm just gonna share with you guys what are the essential stuff on how I organize and how I plan and just bring along the stuff that I really need. And I guess this is gonna be like a quick video for you guys. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. So in today's trip, I'm sorry. So guys, I will be bringing 3 bags with me. So the first one would be the luggage where everything will be put, like my shoes, my clothes, my other stuff, essential stuff that I will bring. Then the second one would be my work bag. So in this specific bag, I won't be sharing with you guys because I'm planning to do a separate video what's inside in my work bag, what are the essential stuff for work. So be ready for that kind of video. And lastly is my personal bag. So I always have my personal bag and it's always has been this Coach bag. For my personal bag, it's just the stuff that I normally use on a daily basis. So that is my wallet, my glasses. So this one is from EO. And then my sanitary hand sanitizer spray. And then my power bank. So this one is only 10,000 mAh. And also my alcohol. And lastly is my AirPods. So these are the stuff that I usually bring with me. So I always carry personal bag along with me when I go to the mall, especially before the pandemic. I always have my personal bag. So yeah, those are the 3 stuff, and right now I'm going to share with you what are the stuff that I will put in my luggage, what are the essential stuff that I will bring along with me. So I have here the first bag, and this is my makeup kit. So if you're interested on what are the stuff or what are my essential makeup kits, I actually have a video of it, so I will link it up there or in the description down below. I don't normally put my makeup kit on my personal bag, especially right now where you don't really need to put makeup on because we're using face masks, face shields, so it's really not essential for me anymore to boost my confidence. For the next bag is actually my camera bag. So this bag is actually from my college. It was a freebie when I graduated. The stuff in here are camera stuff, and that is my camera charger, my microphone bag, and also I will be bringing along with me another extra case for my phone, and also a selfie stick, and lastly is my camera sling there. Actually, I will also bring my camera EOS, which is the one that I'm using right now. So the next bag that I will bring is this one. This is just like my chargers and the plugs that I need, my earphones, my extra pods. In case that I forget my AirPods, I still have my in-pods here. So yeah, this is the third bag. Also bring my washable face mask with its filter. I only have one of this, so I will bring along with me 10 disposable face masks in case that I won't be able to buy there, and also my own face shield. The next bag is my toiletries or the stuff that I need, and I have here my toner and also a bag full of like my clips, my hairpins and that, and also one scrunchie. I really need a scrunchie. And I will bring my lotion. I always have this lotion. It's from the Body Shop, the Bath and Body Shop. And also I will bring my Derm Plus. This is sponsored actually from Derm Plus. So this is my favorite. This is the Ultra 130 Derm Plus. And then I have my cotton buds, my toothpaste, my soap, and then my ordinary serum, and also my lip balm. Ayan. So these are everything. For the shoes, guys, I will only bring 3 shoes, and this is the first one. This is going to be like my go-to shoes, and then I will also bring my Birkenstock. This will serve as my slippers. And lastly, slip-on formal kind of shoes. This is the Alberto Nude. There. This is actually my favorite one. Whenever I go to places, I always wear that. So yeah, those are the 3 shoes that I will bring along with me. And now I will just show you a fast-forwarded phase on how I put everything in my luggage. Normally, I just bring dresses because personally, I like to bring lightweight stuff. I don't normally bring a lot, especially when I travel. And I'm the type of person who always wears dresses or sleeveless or crop tops because it's more comfortable for me.